Hi guys, my name is Robert Foster. I'm taking a tour guide of Playmaker. Yes, I just bought Playmaker today and it's pretty steep. It's about like $100 and getting ready to show you some demonstration what I learned from the documentation when you buy, and I'm just showing you. This is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you how easy it is to design a game. At first when I bought it, I didn't know how to move the functions. So I look at I just took the documents of the test labs and just look at the character controller. So I just add right now. I'm just adding a plane and scale up to 10 Y and X and Z. Now I'm adding a capsule, and I'm gonna get rid of that component in a few. But right now I'm just resetting to the zero axis. So now I'm just going to delete and add some physics and some lighting. So while I'm adding lighting right here towards the character, so I'm going to tell you more about Playmaker. Playmaker is a virtual script machine just like Blender, and it just have logics and stuff like that, and you could just use it just like for that. Adding just the, but it won't be like this, it won't look like spaghetti. The reason why, because there's three main things in there. Now, what you see right now, I'm adding. So once I finish adding all the script component and motors, once you see there's three functions, there's statements, events, and a variable. So now I just add a statement. The statements are all these functions comes with all the functions like move and game object and input and devices and stuff like that. Those are actions. And those are actually statements. So I just add one of the statements from the input functions, and the input functions is the vector 3, the x, y, and z. And so now it requires, and when you get an error, it requires a variable. So I'm just naming it move, and I name another variable speed. So I'm gonna add that just like Blender, where it has properties. So I added two of them. So I'm um, get rid of one. So I'm just adding it to the actions. So now I just added two simple moves, character moves. So I'm gonna get rid of one, right click and get rid of the one of the actions. So now I'm adding that to function. So I'm gonna give it to a speed of 1, and I'm gonna add a camera, and I'm gonna trigger that as a transform vector or translate vector. Just look at transform, just look at, not translate, look at the character. And it's a pretty simple, it goes down pretty quick, and I just make this under in 5 minutes. And if you're really a heavy duty gamer and you don't want to sit around and design code, this is just ideas to get by, and you just import levels and characters. This is the way to go, and I agree to this, and this is really a fun way. Blenders like this, and Unreal's like this. So why not Unity? Why not? So it's $100. Once again, it's worth it, and I think it's worth it for my dollars. And anybody, got on me because I spent too much, and now I'm gonna be crying because I'm broke. So I'm gonna be crying. And people say, make a good game with this software and send it to one of the website. And now I'm testing it, and right now you can't see it, so I'm gonna maximize the screen. So it's on me. So I'm gonna find a way to make money. I'm not gonna. April goes down fast, so May's gonna come be here in no time. So I'll be able to make money in April. So hopefully. So I'm just praying. So now I'm just showing you how it works, and more of introduction and how it works. Go on the website Playmaker, type in Playmaker for Unity, and it shows you the presentation of the software. And it's a pretty excellent software plugin, actually plugin. Um, and also when you buy it, it comes with preloaded tutorials. So right now I'm adding templates. So once you finish your game, you could save them, or you can make templates. So I'm making templates. So once you finish one of the characters, and say you design the character in 3D, and you export it into Unity, and so you use the playmaker, and now you test everything out. You don't want to redo everything up again, so you can make a whole bunch of templates, a big old template, make a template of your of your file. So once the template is done, you could import the template inside your playmaker editor, and you don't have to re-edit everything again. Everything's done if you do rigging and animation and stuff like that. And I'm going to exit it and share the website and a whole bunch of documents. And my name is Robert Foster, and I clicked on a tour guide. And a pleasure, and see you later. Bye bye.